everyone, it's Ashley with Melanin Beauty, and today we are juicing. I am making one of my favorite morning drinks. So if you are interested in seeing what I do with these ingredients here, keep watching. Be healthy, and so I came across this little recipe that I love. It's my favorite little morning drink to help detoxify my body. So yeah, I'm gonna make this today in this nice juicer that I bought on Amazon. It's like $64, and I will put it in a description box, but it is great. All the fruit and stuff go in here in this pot, and then it comes out this part and goes in this little container here, and then I drink it. So yeah, let's get going. Ginger, fresh ginger. I have turmeric root, and I have a half of a lemon, cucumber, half a cucumber. I have an apple, and I have some pineapple. That's all I have for you guys, just my little juicing recipe. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.